Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another radio from Jeff. He loans me these radios to show to you. And the other thing that's kind of very interesting is he's able to find and recycle these cases that were used for something else. And this is like a perfect fit for this radio. So let's get the radio out. Kind of a bluish gray pastel color. Got a carrying handle. Over here is the on-off volume, and this is the tuning dial. On the back is the earbud jack right there. And it uses a 9-volt battery. Made by GE. It's called the LunchBox. 5 transistor. It's about 1959 vintage. He had it recapped and realigned. And the radio plugs well, he says. Let's try it out. Okay, we'll turn it on over here. Oh, dimensions. About 7 inches by about 4.5 by about 2.5. That gives you some idea. Pretty heavy. It's massive inside. Okay, let's turn it on. Let's tune it in. Pretty good audio, little tinny.
You get in the car because you got faith.
You referred to, we've talked.
Plenty of volume.
Nick and I talked about this on Friday while you were out.
Plenty of volume.
Hate relationship with Mothra.
A little bit of interference there from the electronics in my my workshop.
These objects had, quote, movements that are hard to replicate, that we don't have the technology.
Association President Pat Lynch told with
Picked up a lot of stations.
The time when Joy Behar forgot that she actually agreed with
AM only.
wife was making money off of Huey.
And of course it is directional. But not too bad.
Of our family's household.
Pretty good. Not in too bad a shape. See if I turned the right way. No, I'm turned the wrong way. There we go. Pretty good shape. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. They're very unusual radios. I mean, I can't say I've ever seen this radio before now. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.